about anything new.
Morning everyone, I'm Deluxe 8877 and welcome to the vlog. So, why are we here?
We are here because today
I'm skipping school.
is 8th grade ditch day.
Basically, I'm skipping school.
Da da da. Uh-oh, do we call the school?
Who cares?
Who cares?
Yeah, don't focus on real life stuff right now. We're on vacation.
Cody's gonna graduate in less than a week.
Not
In
really.
about a week.
Yeah. The Pictorium is being demolished for new drills. What could it be? Here's a ride we haven't done in a while. A Wizard. You'd think since it's a school day, it wouldn't be crowded. Where am I talking about? This place is never not crowded. I don't know if you people can tell, but there's people out there and it's stuck right in the middle. Hopefully we don't have another one of those. Yeah. I want to remind you, they call this place the cleanest theme park in the world. Yeah, right. You know what? With Six Flags, sometimes you can't tell if they're demon or they're just lazy and they just keep things there and just call it demon. You just can't tell sometimes. So the Viper, still my favorite ride in the entire park, but everyone else finds it rough, unfortunately. Maybe I'll find someone else one day who shares my opinion. Probably not. And also there's a ride I'm not doing today. Don't ask me why, I'm just not doing it. Dad walked out today, Teacups is closed.
Darn it!
But it doesn't matter. The points never expire.
Wow.
He's still going on it, don't worry folks.
Great today.
Keep in mind you also own Mr.
This
Freeze.
is Great America.
Yeah, it is. We should do ditch days more often. For once, Justice Week is actually uncrowded. Oh wait, never mind. You'd think they'd ever renovate this place and not make it as dirty. Especially when you call yourself the cleanest theme park in the world.
There's Cody and Jack.
So I just rode V2 or vertical velocity or whatever you want to call it. Can I just say that's the definition of short but sweet? It was amazing. That's
You
all.
rode it twice
Yeah.
in a row. You got the lucky opportunity.
Can I say I honestly don't know which ride is better, Viper or V2? This is Great America's newest ride. And it's not open yet. Well, it kind of is. It's only open for those who have a season pass. So if we wanted to, we could do it, but we're not doing it. Since me, just me, I don't like upside down rides. So. So we just finished running the Condor. Funny story, we were actually the only people in line when we were on there. And that shall be the end of our day. Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe.
Well, it's the end of our day here. So then, I know I forgot to do this my last 2 vlogs, but I don't care. May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This vlog has stopped temporarily and will resume motion in the next episode. Until then,